welcome back to a new video. How you all doing? Hope you're all well. So today we are near Yarmouth. We're near Horsey. I'd went and picked up the wildlife lens, and we're kind of just like exploring the area now, trying to get some see some wildlife and get some photos and stuff. But we're going to go back into like a little nature reserve. It's from the National Trust, so it's free parking for us because we're National Trust members, which is always good. But yeah, so last night we kind of just parked up in this little car park. I'll quickly show you around in a minute where it is. It's a nice little spot next to a church. Church car park seems to be really good, to be fair. But yeah, it's pretty early in the morning, not too early, but yeah, we're going to shoot off and then maybe come back here later on. I'm not too sure, but when we're actually going and doing all this stuff, if I'm like using the camera, I'm using the same camera for when I'm doing wildlife photography. Tabitha will then be using a GoPro. So the audio quality and visual quality and stuff might drop a little bit when we're doing that, but that'll only be small segments. For the rest of the video, it will still be recorded on this camera with the microphone and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, let me just quickly show you around where we parked last night. But yeah, so this is where we parked up, just around here. Just a nice, decent sized car park, to be fair. The church is just over there.
And it's been super quiet as well. Like literally, there's a few houses that live down there, but literally the road's really quiet, and we're kind of tucked away in the middle of nowhere, so it's beaut really. So now we're going to head off to the car park, which is about a 20-minute drive, so we'll see you there. Right, so we're here now. It wasn't too bad of a journey. The roads are pretty quiet, but the car park is pretty full, so we've had to park in the overflow car park. But we're here now. Liam's going to switch over to his wildlife lens, so I'm going to be using the GoPro. So we'll swap over to that now. Sorry if the quality's bad or a bit worse than normal, but it's one of them things. Right, so I'm on the GoPro now, and we've been walking for about 5-10 minutes, and we haven't found anything yet, but hopefully do come across something. But there is a few people walking around here today, and a few kids that are a bit noisy, so maybe that will obviously disturb some of the nature around here. But hopefully we find something. We do plan on being here for most of the day, so we'll probably just walk around this area a couple of times, to be honest. And there is a beach and stuff, so we have got quite a few places to actually walk and see, so I'm pretty sure we'll find something in the day. And to be fair, it's nice just to get out, stretch our legs and go for a walk. So let's hope the rain stays off, and we'll hopefully find something along the way. Right, so far we've only seen a ladybug or ladybird and a, what do you call it? Dragonfly. Yeah, that's the only two things we've seen. We've been walking for quite a while, so it's not going good so far. Liam did try to get a picture of the dragonfly, but it's super hard because it just flies around all the time, so we didn't manage to capture anything. But we got a nice little clip of the ladybug, so that was pretty sick. I tried to catch some stuff on the GoPro, but it's pretty shit at focusing, so I think they're all out of focus, but at least Liam got a nice shot. Yeah, so at least he got a nice clip of that, which you probably already have seen. But we're going to carry on the walk, see what else we can find, hopefully find something nice. But there is a few people, like I said, walking down here, so that probably will just disturb the wildlife a bit.
And I'm weighed down like a donkey.
Yeah, he is.
Carrying so much weight.
But I've got to carry the water, so that's heavy too.
Yeah.
But it makes us fitter, so it's all good. Well, let's carry on and see what else we can find. So there's a lot of windmills around this area, but a lot of them seem to be derelict and broken and stuff, which is a shame, but at least it's still there for us to look at. And to be fair, because they're broken or not working, they kind of got their own little character to them. But it's pretty cool to see. I'll quickly flip the camera around and show you. So as you can see, it's all derelict, and all the windmill bits have all broken off, and it does look like it's about to fall down at any second, but you know what, it's still nice to see, and it's nice that it's actually still here and that we can still appreciate it. Right, so we've come down to the seal beach and stopped on the cliff bit to have lunch. It's been really nice, and I was sitting down, I was like, Liam, there's something in the water, and the seals are actually, they're not on the beach unfortunately. I think it's just too busy for them. So I think there's they're not on the beach, but they are literally right on the edge of the sea, and they keep popping their head up, so it's pretty cool. Liam's trying to get some footage with his big lens, because I can't get any footage with this because it's just too wide. So hopefully you get something nice, but man, it's been so nice actually to see some seals. I've been down here like for years and I've never actually been to this beach, which is really unfortunate really. I don't know why I've never been down here, but it's amazing. But apparently they have pups in November and over the winter, so we'll definitely plan on coming back down here during then, because like that's what we want to go to see, so it'd be nice to actually see some pups and stuff. But we're going to have a walk down the beach and see if we can see any that are on the beach. I think it's very unlikely, but hopefully there is some down the beach where no one else is, so let's go and check that out. So unfortunately we didn't see any seals on the beach, but there is loads actually just coming to the surface at the edge of the sea, which is pretty cool. And I've just been sitting there watching them all come up and rest on their back. It's pretty cool to see. And Liam's just been doing some photography.
With zero luck of getting a picture of a seal.
Yeah, they're just too far away.
I got some pictures of some like the seagulls and stuff like that though, but I'll put them at the end of the video. So yeah, so I've got a couple of pictures of them, but we are on the way back now to the van, but we're going to walk down the beach, and then you kind of have to cut through the town and stuff, so you never know, we might see something on the way down, but if we do, we'll let you know.
But yeah, so we're going to head back to the van. Hopefully it's a nice easy walk and we get to see actually some seals on the beach, but
that'll be ace.
Yeah, if not, we'll be back for sure in November.
Yeah, like now we've been here, we're definitely coming back in the winter to see some of these seal pups because they look like cute as hell.
Yeah, and they're guaranteed to be down here as well, so we'll definitely see them on the beach this time.
And I definitely want to photograph them.
So we've got some good news. We're literally walking down the top of the beach, on top of the dunes, and there's loads of them down here outside the beach. So Liam's just ran off to try and get some photos and video stuff. I'm slowly going down there, but I'll show you when I get down there, because this is going to be pretty exciting. I'm so glad we've actually found some. So we've been sitting at the beach now for about an hour. Liam's just gone off doing some photography and whatnot, and I've just been here chilling watching the seals. They're actually quite interesting to watch. They're so super cute. So it's been really nice and relaxing. Liam's over there somewhere doing his own thing. But yeah, it's been really nice. I'm so glad we've actually managed to find some.
Right, so back at the van now. I had a really good shoot. I'll put a load of photos at the end of the video. I need to figure out how to do it, but yeah, I'll try and put some photos at the end of the video so you can kind of see what I got. But we managed to get really close to them and it was epic. Yeah,
it was really good. And I was just sitting there on the beach for probably about an hour just watching them, and they're really cute, and they were just like moving their eyes, and oh yeah, they are super cute. And then they do the truffle shuffle back to the sea.
They are adorable.
Yeah, they are really cute. There's so many around there, literally. You walk a bit further and then like another group of them outside. There's a big colony around there, so
it's pretty mad how like we didn't think we'd seen any. Well, we didn't see any for ages, and then we thought, we'll walk back, and then the way that we walked back, we stumbled across loads of them.
Yeah, it was. And we weren't going to walk back that way.
No.
So it was I was said about walking that way, so I'll take the credit for that one. But yeah, it's been a really nice day for sure. And
we're definitely going to come back. Yeah, we'll come back in November time. We'll probably go up to Scotland and then come back, and then maybe come around here for a week or two. Maybe even a bit longer than that, but yeah, I want to come back and photograph them when they're having the pups, and then they'll be up along the dunes as well. Yeah. Because when they're on the beach, there's only so much you can do with like photos and stuff like that. But I think I've got some bangers. Hopefully I have, and if I have, you'll see them at the end of the video. But I think we're going to end the video here.
Yep. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. Took out a notepad and wrote something for me.